Good day, our lovely learners. Welcome to our channel. Some or any. How to use them and when. Today's video is going to be about use of these two words. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out more. After this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. Both some and any mean an amount or number of something. In general, some is used for positive sentences and any is used for negative sentences. Please compare. There are some plants in my room. It means I have got an amount of plants which is more than one. I don't say how many. It is not important. There aren't any plants in my room. It means I don't have plants in my room. In this example, any refers to the amount of something being absent. But also, any has another meaning in sentences. Any is used to mean it is not important which thing or time or person is chosen. For example, you can write to me anytime. I'm happy to help you with your shopping. Anytime means that it doesn't matter when all times are convenient. I'm broke currently. I'm looking for any job in my town. Any job means that it is not important what kind of job it is. I would accept all possible options. It is quite common to use both some and any to make questions. Please compare. Do you have any cakes? Do you have some cakes? In the first example, in my question, I'm expecting the answer yes or no. But in the second example, I'm hoping to get the answer yes. Usually, when using some in questions, the person asks for or offer something. Would you like some tea? In this sentence, I have got tea and I can offer it to my guests. Have you seen any shops nearby? In this sentence, I wonder if there is a chance to find one. Have you seen some shops nearby? In this sentence, I hope to find the shops. As you can see, it is not very complex to use some or any. Just follow these rules and you will not make mistakes. And to check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the quiz. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.